Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is me Mubin and you're all watching Car and Rebuilders. In this video we are going to work on this MG Hector Plus. This is a hydro-locked vehicle. I am already working on MG Hector, the DCT gear. It's a 2020 model. It was met with an accident and we are already working on it. Soon the car will come from the body shop and I didn't thought of making that car video, as now I'm rebuilding this MG Hector Plus and as well as that MG Hector. So why not to make the complete video of MG Hector like a series, and soon I am going to get another MG Hector Plus, the 2022 model, which has the CVT gearbox. The MG Hector Plus gets with two gearbox. One is CVT, the latest one, and the DCT, which is the old one. Right now this is the DCT gearbox, and this car has been hydro locked, and the customer has said that it's his first car, and the car was going for a total loss. So instead of giving to the insurance, he thought of why not to rebuild his car. So he has contacted us, and you can also contact us and get your car rebuilt, whether it's an accidental or hydro locked. So talking about this car specifically, the water hasn't uh, gone much inside in the interior. Why? Because even the flooring is not that wet. It seems like the matting has been dried up, but we have to remove the seats and replace the matting or else dry the matting. So, and there are no watermarks on the body, so it seems like the water hasn't not there much. And even the below the seats there's no marks of the water, so it seems like the the modules are safe. I am not sure about that. And the customer has made a statement that he has turned on the ignition, we are not sure, and he has also said that he has cranked the car, but the engine didn't start. So there's a big problem also can be waiting for us. The engine can be seized and we are not sure that. So one information for you all guys is that never start a car or turn on the ignition when the car has been flooded. Why? Because all the modules and everything, it's better to take off the battery wire at the time of rains and everything. That will be a better thing for you. Over here also there's a little bit of dirt only, but no watermarks, and there's the complete matting is dried up and the interior looks really good. And there's one more MG Hector which has got a black interior that looks also good. And we have to replace the airbags of that car. So soon I am going to make video on that car also. And if I show you the bonnet over here, the front portion, this is the front portion. As you can see there, over here also there are no marks of water. There are marks of water, but it didn't look like the mud water it is. By just cleaning it, the engine bay will get back its shine. So yes, we will look what will be the causes, and hope that the engine is not seized. Why? Because then that will be a really headache work for us. Why? Because it's not easy to rebuild MG Hectors, especially coding works. So yeah, let's see, let's hope that the engine is not seized, and let's get started.
So now we are draining the engine oil and the gear oil, and as you can see there is no water inside the engine oil or else the gear oil, which is a good thing because now we know that the engine is not seized. And we have also removed the spark plugs and coils to check whether the water is there or not. but everything is good over there also. As you can see, spark plugs and coils both are in good conditions, and now we know that the engine is not seized or the oil is not mixed with water. So now we are pouring new engine oil and gear oils, and now we will fit the complete spark plugs and coils back together and hopefully try to start the ignition or else start the car. And also we have cleaned the fuel tank so that there is no water inside the fuel tank, and now we are filling new petrol in the car so that we could start the car. So at first the ignition didn't turn on, so we checked some fuses and everything, and somehow we got the ignition started, as you can see, but the car didn't turn on. But anyway, the infotainment screen works, and we think it is a simple module which is not working, so we will try to find out it the next day. Anyhow, the sunroof also works, all the modules and electronic items are working, just a simple module we assume. So let's see it tomorrow morning.